Very, very good evening to one and all present in the classroom. Today, I, Tarun sir, would like to brief you about few very, very important points related to term 1 exam. So, my dear students, class 9, 10, 11, and 12, the session is only for ICSE, CBSE, and ISC. So, before I start today's session, I would like to tell you one thing, that ICSE and ISC, mark my words, ICSE and ISC has now allowed you to appear for the term 1 exam from home also, either at school or from home. I know many of you must not be knowing this. I just want to know किसको ये बात पता है, बताइए जरा.
Sir, I
knew about it.
You knew about this. Very good to see. So this applies for ICSE and ISC. I don't know what could have been the possible reason, and we hardly care about that because term 1 exams are just 1 month away. So this was very important point to be actually raised in today's class. And please, I request you students, do not think of any kind of mischief during online exams. Believe me, big boards, big institutions, they aren't fools that they will allow you to appear from home and they won't be setting anything. There would be hell lot of settings. There would be hell lot of settings. Okay, so today's session, let's get back to the lecture. Today's session is very common for all because you people would be getting questions in the similar manner. Why did I conduct a combined class? Reason why, just to aware you people that please do not be happy after coming across this news that you people would be even allowed to appear for exams from your place. बिल्कुल खुश होने की कोई बात नहीं. Believe me, the things will get quite stricter. बहुत strict हो जाएंगी. So it's better, that's my suggestion, that you go to school, give your consent. This is only my suggestion. Rest your parents will decide. Go to school and appear for the exam. This one statement, for this one statement, I have conducted this class, that go to school and appear. If I am saying, then there must be some value. Okay, today's session, beginning with today's session is very important. I have framed these questions as per your specimen papers. So no one will leave before the class ends. So this is the first question in front of you. Can anyone read it out for me, please?
In each of the following items, sentence A is complete while sentence B is not. Complete sentence B, making it as similar as possible to sentence A. Write sentence B in each case.
Let's begin with the first question. First solve it, and then I'll be asking you to answer it. Start.
So no nooks and corners for remaining answers.
Beta, what? No.
No nooks and corners left untouched.
Sir, no nooks and corners were left unchecked.
Okay. There are many other students. I'm waiting for their answer.
Sir, no nooks and corners were remain unchecked.
Were remain unchecked.
So no nooks and corners were left unchecked.
Okay, just give me a minute. I'll be back. Okay. All nooks and corners were checked. So this is a positive sentence. And now when these people have added this word, no. So the answer is no nooks and corners were left unchecked. So these are tricky questions where you have to just transform the sentence into negative form. Question 2 only goes to boys. First read it out and then.
So he is too old to remember events of past. Events of the past.
Wait. Someone said he is too old that he cannot ko hata diya aapne, and then you added to remember the events of the past. Is he correct?
sir.
Is he correct or not? Come on, correct him.
Sir, he is correct.
Sir,
He-
he is correct.
He is correct. And the chat
Yeah.
box is active. Chat box is active. Nikhil, Ravisha, they have started to send their message in the chat box. He is too old. These three words will have to be eliminated to remember events of the past. Wow, excellent. My dear students, forgive me for this. I have not added MCQs today. I just wanted to make you practice like this, because if you answer to these questions directly, you will be very happy to find it in the options. And that would be 100% assurance, and you won't be wasting time. So kindly, whenever you get a question like this, first solve it on your own and then peep into the options. Have you people understood what I'm trying to say?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Excellent. So moving towards the next questions. Oh, ho. Very nice. And this question goes to girls.
So
As
may I?
to, Priyanshi wants to answer. Yes, please, bolo.
Sir, no sooner did the bell rang than the children ran out to play.
Yes, next.
No sooner did the bell ring than the children ran out to play.
So no sooner did the bell ring than the children ran out to play.
And now I'm going to
No
write my.
sooner had the bell rang when the children ran out to play.
Oh, very nice. Acha. Okay, fine. Now see, in the option, you people would be getting this. No sooner did the bell ring without a comma than the children. लेकिन यहां पर सब गलती कर गए, किसी ने रन को बदला ही नहीं.
Sir, ran में किया था.
Ran.
Sir, ran.
ran में
Ran.
change किया था.
Yes, this is the drawback of MCQs. क्योंकि वो लोग आपको रन भी देंगे and आप लोग, you people would be in a hurry and then you will tick run. So this would be the option present in front of you all. No sooner did the bell ring than the children ran out to play. Question 3 goes to boys. Positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree of adjective. No other planet is as big as Jupiter.
So Jupiter is the biggest planet.
That is the big.
एक second. I'll write your answer. Jupiter is the biggest planet. अच्छा, चलिए देखते हैं.
Yes,
Rest.
sir.
Wait. I have other students also coming up into the picture. Come on, students. Where are these 10th ICSE students? Come on, Ikjot. कहाँ हो? ये आंसर सही है. Should I apply a tick? Where is Om? Pari, Shreya. 15 स्टूडेंट्स एब्सेंट हो गए हैं. ना उनको 4 PM का टाइम समझ में आ रहा है, ना 8:30 PM का टाइम समझ में आ रहा है. तो कौन सा टाइम दे दिया जाए भाई? Jupiter is the biggest planet is a very easy question, but when it would be presented in the form of, जब यही, लेकिन हर्षवर्धन सिंह हैज समथिंग एल्स. हर्षवर्धन सिंह के पास कुछ और है, मैं यही देखना चाहता था. हर्षवर्धन सिंह ने लिखा है जुपिटर इज द, अब आप लोग बताएंगे हर्षवर्धन सही है कि नहीं. इज बिगर देन एनी अदर प्लैनेट. वाओ, देन एनी अदर प्लैनेट. आर बोथ दीज सेंटेंसेस करेक्ट? यस और नो?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
एब्सोल्युटली.
Yes, sir.
तभी बनता है एमसीक्यू में बोथ ए एंड बी. Here they would be confusing you. Absolutely, I was waiting for this answer and I was about to write Jupiter is the
Sir.
big. हाँ, एक और आंसर आ गया. वाह.
So we can also say any very few planets are bigger than Jupiter.
Correct your English. जबरदस्ती अगर छेड़खानी करी and if you act over smart, जब लिखा है no other तो तुम लेके आ जाओगे few. वाह बेटा वाह. Unnecessarily poking and hammering your own feet. Please don't do this with English grammar. I request you. आगे चलते हैं, देखते हैं क्या है. ओहो, अभी भी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन चल रहा है. कोई बात नहीं. 1 2 3. Only 10th girls will answer. Grade 10 girls. I'll only count till 4. 1. Are you there? Yes or no? इतना ही बता दो. हटाइए. 9th ICSE boys. 1 2 3 4. Shame on them. 10th ICSE boys.
So besides being forgetful, he is careless with his work.
10th ICSE. ऐसी तो आवाज मैंने 10th ICSE में किसी की सुनी नहीं. बेटा क्या नाम है आपका? क्या नाम है बच्चे आपका? 10th में ये कैसा बच्चा आया, हैवान जैसी आवाज. बेटा अपना नाम बताइए प्लीज. अरे नहीं बोलना है, कोई बात नहीं.
Sorry, sir, I was in heaven.
You are in 11. I knew this. This is the reason I wanted to make you realize. चलिए अब आंसर बता दीजिए जब बता ही दिया है. Besides being forgetful. Very good. आगे तो जानना है मुझको. Besides being forgetful. What a word, forgetful. नहीं बोलना है. Yes, all the girls participate. Is this the correct option or should I change something? Besides being forgetful, comma लगाना जरूरी था कि नहीं, यही जानना है.
सर जरूरी
Yes,
था.
sir, it was necessary.
It was necessary. Yes. I would like to speak with Kashish. Kashish, comma लगाना जरूरी है? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir. अच्छा. Besides, तो क्या ये ऑप्शन को टिक लगा दें, लॉक कर दिया जाए कि नहीं? Besides being forgetful, comma, he is careless with his work. Take your time. Take your time. All the students present in the class, take your time, please. Once you say okay, I will apply a tick. अरे कोई ओके बोली नहीं.
Okay, sir.
ओके
Okay, sir.
चलो भाई.
Okay, sir.
Thank you so much. Question 5 goes to grade 12 boys.
In all conditions, the ship will reach the shore.
In all conditions, wait, रुको जरा, तुम्हारे ही बताए हुए ऑप्शंस में एमसीक्यू के फॉर्म में लिखूंगा. In all conditions, the ship will reach the shore. Okay. ये
Sir,
रहा.
it is probable that the ship will reach the shore.
नहीं
In
बच्चे.
all probability, comma, the ship will reach the shore.
Oh, wow. Wait. Someone said in all probability, and Shashank is absolutely correct because this term will have to be used in the answer. ये मैं अमनप्रीत, I won't say that तुम गलत हो. बहुत अच्छा बनाया तुमने. In all conditions, good. Sorry, इसी वर्ड को, प्रोबेबल वर्ड को हमें बदलना था और शशांक ने बदल लिया. In all probability, mathematical word, in all probability, the ship will reach the shore.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, raise your doubt.
Sir, can we use in all probability possibilities?
Oh my, I'm sorry. Beta, what's your name?
Sir, Priyanshi.
अच्छा, आपने बोला in all probability, फिर possibility. नहीं बेटा, probability ही possibility show
No,
कर रहा
sir,
है.
probably possibilities.
Probably, possibly. Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay.
This is the correct answer. Anyone else who wants to give his or her opinion? बताइए जरा. Okay, fine. So moving towards the next slide. ओह, एक्सरसाइज चेंज हो गई है. ये कौन सी एक्सरसाइज आ गई है? Preposition. Okay, fine. So fill in the blank with a suitable word. Students keep on questioning me, sir, if the exercise is on suitable word, तो क्या मैं यहाँ पर verb, conjunction, interjection, verb, adverb, noun, pronoun भर के आ सकता हूं? अगर आप भर के आएंगे भी, अब भर के कैसे आएंगे जब MCQ हो जाएगा पैटर्न, तो you cannot fill anything. Sorry to say, prepositions ही भरने पड़ेंगे. अगर आपको cleverly वो कुछ और word देंगे, बेटा मत भरना. जैसे for example, I will solve this first question. She turned dash the offer to work at the factory. अच्छा, अरे बाप रे, यहाँ आएगा ही preposition, वो भी phrasal preposition.
Down.
She turned on. Oh, down. वाह वाह, over होगा.
Down.
Very nice.
Down.
अलग अलग.
Down.
Away.
She turned away. Oh. अरे बेटा, तुम लोग ने सारे ऑप्शंस अप्लाई कर दिए. Sorry to say, this is the correct option. कौन डाउन बोला है वही सही है. She turned down. Write down the concept. Turn down to reject. Turn down to reject. She turned down the offer to work. आइए question 2 पर. It means to reject. Question 2. Someone read it out and please answer to the second question.
To everyone's
To everyone's surprise, he turned, फिर turned आ गया. अच्छा, dash at the party.
Up.
Sir, up.
Sir, up.
Turned up at the party.
Sir, up.
To everyone's surprise, he turned up at the party. और कोई? Anyone else? I have few of the members like Ravisha. इनकी आदत नहीं गई 2 बार रिप्लाई करने की. YouTube में भी यही करते थे, यहाँ भी यही कर रहे हैं, कोई बात नहीं. और कुछ लोगों ने लिखा है टर्न डाउन, टर्न अप, सॉरी टू से. अच्छा, चलो देखते हैं. To everyone's surprise, he turned up. Absolutely correct. Write down turned up to be present. लिखते चलो phrases. जितने phrases मैं सिखा रहा हूं, all the phrases are important, my dear students. All the phrases are important. चलो, question 3 goes to only girls. First,
He
read the.
broke dash in the middle of the speech at the function. Sir,
अच्छा.
down.
He broke down. अच्छा, कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं. He broke down. Okay. And he broke out. Okay, broke out. अच्छा, 2 ऑप्शन हो गए. देखो, इसी को ही MCQ. Now अगर out आता, down आता, so चेतन, खुशी ने आउट, किसी ने डाउन, किसी ने आउट, किसी ने डाउन. समझ गए? तो इस तरीके से आउट और डाउन आया है.
Sir, down.
आउट और डाउन आया. अच्छा, अब मैं ये देखना चाहूंगा कि ब्रोक डाउन का एक्चुअली मतलब होता है टू शैटर. एंड इफ यू डोंट नो द मीनिंग ऑफ शैटर, सो आई कैन नॉट हेल्प इट. टू क्राई, टू शेड टीयर्स, ये होता है आपका. He broke down in the middle of his speech. Absolutely correct. I'm sorry. बेटा, ये broke out. Broke out का मतलब समझते हो क्या है? Broke out का मतलब होता है spread. Write it down. The fire broke out in the town. लिखो, the fire broke out in the town. चलें भाई, next question. ये लीजिए next question. सारे phrases हैं, केवल phrasal prepositions हम लोगों को पढ़ना है. 1 month. We have only 1 month in our hand. We will have to study only phrasal prepositions. So question 4 goes to 10th boys. 10th boys.
Sir, in the house.
The burglars broke in the house. Very good. एक option आया. Next, next, next. This is what I was waiting for. Good, 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 good.
Sir, out.
Into.
Sir, into.
Okay, in, out, into.
Out.
My God, look at this. This video will soon be uploaded on YouTube. तो सब लोग जब सुनेंगे तो उनको लगेगा कि क्या बच्चे तुक्का लगा रहे हैं. बिल्कुल सही बेटा, तुम लोग केवल गेस वर्क कर रहे हो, वो भी इतनी बड़ी क्लासेस में सॉरी होने के बाद. ओ हो बेटा, पहले पढ़ो. द बर्गलर्स ब्रोक, किसी ने बोला इन द हाउस. बेटा, यू अप्लाइड द प्रपोजिशन इन. कैन दे डायरेक्टली कम इनसाइड द हाउस? नो, देयर बॉडी विल बी मस्ट बी इन मोशन. और याद रखना, whenever a body is in motion, we always apply into. Write down, the burglars broke into the house. और फ्रेज बन गया broke into. इसका मतलब क्या होता है वो लिखो. Write down broke into. The meaning of broke into is entering any place without information or illegally. entering any place without any information or illegally. Okay, question 5 goes to
Why not
every.
out?
हाँ बेटा, broke out नहीं बच्चे, sorry. Broke out the house, पूरे हाउस को बर्बाद कर डाला, ये क्या बेटा? Sorry. Into. Now question 5.
Sir, out.
बेटा broke out नहीं होगा बच्चे.
Sir, carry out. Carry out, sir.
Who is so impatient? Question 5 goes to everyone. अब बोलो, पूरा सेंटेंस पढ़ो बेटा प्लीज.
Sir, he agreed to carry out the manager's orders.
I am very sorry to say I will not. Okay, I will not waste. हाँ बेटा, I will not waste a single second क्योंकि carry out ये बच्चे बच्चे को पता होगा. Carry out, write down to follow. Carry out is to follow. चलिए जरा 6 क्वेश्चन पर आइए. सीता's daughter, और बहुत ढंग से पढ़ो और पूरा क्वेश्चन पढ़ो. लो, किसी का वाइब्रेट कर रहा है. हाँ.
Sita's daughter carried dash the family business when Sita went abroad.
हाँ तो भाई बताइए.
Sita's daughter carried on.
Carried on. अच्छा, चलो एक कोई बात नहीं.
Yes,
2
sir.
लोग on, 3 लोग on, 4 people on, और बाकी लोग बोलिए.
On.
Carried on, absolutely. Carried on means, write down, resume. Carried on actually means resume. Okay, चलिए moving to the next exercise. देखते हैं next exercise है क्या. अरे बाय गॉड, ये तो continuation है preposition का. चलिए जरा, and be quick now because we are losing minutes.
He ran away
back
from
from
home
home.
at the age of
Away.
Sir, ran away.
Sir, away.
He ran away from home. So easy, so easy. No need to waste time. The answer is he ran away. But the 8th question is hell tough. The 8th
Sir.
question.
Sir, to my
old friend
Into.
Imam.
Sir, to my own.
Everyone, come on. The chat box is active.
sir, to
Prakhar says he ran into. Acha. Sorry, I ran into. Absolutely correct. Write down. Ran into means clash / meeting clash /
Sir, across.
meeting. Across बेटा, I ran across my old friend. उसके आर पार कुचल के उसके निकल गए. नहीं बेटा, sorry. Across is used for traveling. Sorry to say. The answer is I ran into my old friend. ठीक है? Oh, question 9.
after.
Question 9. Again, someone straight away answered it without reading the question. Such impatience.
Her aunt looks after her aging grandparents.
Very easy. लिखो जरा. Looks after का meaning होता है to take care of. To take care of. The principal looks. ये मैं आंसर भरने वाला हूं 10th का.
Into.
Sir,
Into.
So looks
Into.
into matters of. वाह, तुम लोगों को खुद इनकम्प्लीट लगना चाहिए. The principal looks into matters of. वाह, कहीं द लगा हुआ into the matters of and all.
After.
Looks after. वाह, looks after का मीनिंग मैं बता रहा हूं, to take care of. The principal looks. Write down. Looks over. हाँ, might be, through या across भी very strong prepositions हैं यहाँ के. लेकिन whenever a serious matter, over a trifle, over a rivalry, over a dispute, over matters, ये ओवर का प्रपोजिशन बहुत ज्यादा लगता है।
सर into क्यों नहीं?
लुक्स इनटू, क्योंकि बेटा लुक्स इनटू मैटर्स, ये देखिए इनकम्प्लीट लग रहा है। लुक्स इनटू द मैटर्स, और द मिसिंग है। Am I hope I have cleared your doubt, निखिल?
Yes sir.
तुम खुद सोचो, इसको पढ़ो, अब पढ़ो, मैंने इनटू लगा दिया, अब सेंटेंस को पढ़ो जरा।
The principal looks into matters of complaint from teachers. Yes.
क्या
sir,
मिसिंग
गलत
है? क्या मिसिंग है?
So the
द नहीं, आर्टिकल मिसिंग है। हाँ मतलब समझ लो, गुड, डेफिनेट आर्टिकल। चलिए जरा अब आगे चलते हैं, आगे एक्सरसाइज देखें क्या है। ओ माय गॉड, बोर्ड पैटर्न स्पेसिमेन पेपर, ओनली Tarun sir can provide you with such exercises. Thank you so much for being a part of this. Please इसका screenshot ले लो। I don't have time, मेरा दूसरा लेक्चर है अब। It's time to say goodbye. जैसे इस जो screenshot ले लेगा, मैं इसका solution भेज रहा हूं थोड़ी देर में, उससे पहले आप solve करेंगे and then you can check your answers. जो screenshot लेगा वो room को छोड़ सकता है, can leave the meeting room.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Good night, sir.
Bye 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 bye.